At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. My madrasa name is Laujana Ilimuddin Dakhil Madrasa at Nurani Division. I read in class 3 in this madrasa. My madrasa has a deep background. There are 20 teachers and 700 students in my madrasa. Teachers are very good and loving. I enjoy going to madrasa every day. I am proud of my madrasa. Assalamu